Sweetheart, let's pack our bags. We don't want to forget anything. Yay! Can I pack my teddy bear and my favorite doll? Of course, but let's pack only one toy so there's room for other things. Okay, I'll take my teddy. He wants to travel with us. Great choice. Now let's pack your clothes, socks, and pajamas. Mommy, don't forget my toothbrush and my pink hairbrush. You're right. We also need your medicines, tissues, and hand sanitizer. Can we pack some biscuits, juice, and my favorite snacks too? Yes, we'll pack healthy snacks, a water bottle, and some fruits for the journey. Our bags are ready. I can't wait to go on our trip with you, Mommy.
Mommy, are we ready to go to Grandma's house?
Yes, sweetheart. Let me lock the front door first. Did we pack everything? Yes, our bags, snacks, water bottle, and tickets are all ready. Is the door locked now? Yes, I checked it twice. Everything is safe. Can I carry my little backpack? Of course! You're such a responsible girl. I can't wait to see Grandma. She gives the best hugs. Me too. Come on, let's go and have a wonderful trip together.
Good morning. I would like 2 tickets to my mother's town, please.
Good morning. Certainly. When would you like to travel?
We would like to take the next train, please.
Here are your 2 tickets.
Have a safe journey. Thank you very much.
Mommy, are we really going to Grandma's house today? Yes, Emma. Grandma is waiting for us. Mommy, can I hold the tickets? Yes, but hold them carefully. We need them to board the train. I will. I can't wait to see Grandma. This is going to be so much fun. Mommy, look outside. The mountains are so big and beautiful. They are, Emma. Nature looks amazing from the train. Look at the river. The water is sparkling. Yes, and the green trees make everything look so peaceful. I love sitting near the window. I can see everything. I'm glad you're enjoying the journey. Train rides are so relaxing. Mommy, can you see those little houses on the hills? Yes, they look so pretty. It feels like a storybook. This is the best train trip ever. I can't wait to tell Grandma all about it. She'll be so happy to hear your stories. Now, let's enjoy the beautiful view together. Train, mountains, flowers.
Welcome, my dear. Welcome home. I missed you both so much.
Grandma, I'm so happy to see you. I missed you too.
Hi, Mom. It's wonderful to be here again. Come here, Emma. Let me give you a big hug.
Wow, your garden is so beautiful, Grandma.
Thank you, sweetheart. I planted these flowers just for you to see.
We had a lovely train journey. Emma enjoyed the beautiful mountains and rivers.
That's wonderful. You both must be tired. Come inside and have some fresh juice and snacks.
Thank you, Grandma. I can't wait to play with you and tell you all about our trip.
I'm so happy you're here. Let's make beautiful memories together. Welcome, my dear. I'm so happy to have you both here.
Thank you, Mom. It's always wonderful to spend time with you.
Grandma, your house feels so warm and cozy.
I'm glad you like it, Emma. This will always be your second home.
We had a pleasant train journey. Emma enjoyed looking at the beautiful mountains and rivers. That's lovely! You must be tired. Would you like some tea and cookies? Yes, Grandma. I love your homemade cookies. I baked them especially for you this morning. Emma has been talking about visiting you every single day.
Oh, that makes me so happy. Now let's sit together, chat, and make beautiful family memories.